nga bwolaba ba other observers nandibadde empuyanya emirembe nga bavudde wa Museveni ne bagendako ewa muntu, so that you can have an overview of every presidential candidate with how things were. You get? N'okugenda obugenzi wa Museveni ne Bobi Wine ne bakomawo, it is also not good. We had
other candidates,
8 candidates. You visited 2. What does that mean? Some candidates are more of candidates than others.
No, nanti okulwanagana nnyo kwali in between these two people.
No. Tekyandibadde ko kulwanagana, kyandibadde ko to assess muntu ebintu ebira byotya. Bulira ebintu ebira byotya. What's the other man? Okay, ahona
Kasibanti.
Abira byotya Kasibanti. No comparing no gamba. Ku bantu omunana bano muntu byayogedde byagala ofaana ne Bobi Wine byagala ofaana ne byagundi, so there is a problem here. That's when you get the balanced what? Discussion and engagement, and then you give recommendations. But not simply having your V8 nezikola convoy nezigenda wa Museveni nezivayo nezigenda nemukubyefala ine mugenda, and then what?
I wouldn't have you kubanga tuva kwe pointing at commenting nze ku what is surrounding Bobi Wine's family and everything that is happening at his home.
It is sad. Lwakuba sinawulira mukwano gwe Kituuma
Rusoke
ng'atugamba ebyabaddewo. Manyi government ya kuno nange sinagendako ke magede. Someone can tell me your AI.
Kituuma?
Ngambi someone gwe mwogedde erinnya webali.
No, because tonatera
no, ogambye ani asole kyogere.
No, nze njogera ku mwogezi wa
police. Zingambye someone nange bamwitaani. Ani mwogezi wa police. Zingambye someone can say mbu AI generated. Oba someone can say mbu emizimu egyalumbye Wakyagulanye.
Tebabadde basirikale bafe.
Myoyo ne gimenyamenya kubanga waliwo amaka agatedde okulumbibwa emyoyo ne gimenya entebe ne gisuula ebitooke.
Myoyo ennyumba bagizimba mu kkubo lya Musambwa.
I have heard those things. Kati you may be there ne bakugamba emyoyo gyalumbye magere naye naffe tugezaako kuginoonyerezaako. Yeah, it is possible. Naye Mukulu Museveni ne banne tutera okuwabula wano baddemu akantu akatono ak'obuntu. Essaawa zino ng'okyagezaako okulwana n'okukweka enjovu mu kikopo, as believed by many, munene enjovu wabbanzibe oli mugiteeka mu kikopo ogiggaliramu ekikopo bwe kyatika ogikweka ogisaanikira bwevayo mugamba oyita abaana mulete kino ekikopo kyetuguseemu mulete akataasa nakeekamenye tejjaamu ogamba abaana mulete kana kadeeya. Then you lie low and be humble. There is no one single reason. If indeed those people intruded into Kyagulanyi's home, there is no one single reason at all. Ofunye enjovuyo, pamba na enjovuyo, naye ate it doesn't call for unity. Then wabeerawo, if it is also true, mutabani we bwebanga yeye nga byaddala yabiwandiika naye bambi olaba ng'ensi egudde eddalu.
Mutabanyi wani ku bonna, because both sons have written.
God, yeah,
so we do not know which son exactly. CDF General.
Yeah, ne General Muhoozi. Bwebanga buno omuntu nange ndi wano ninga program ya radio Simba mbiyisanga wano nange mbisanga screenshots. I don't know. Bwebanga bituufu nga yabiwandiika, then no, ensi ebegudde eddalu.
Is there a possibility nti hande yosia General Muhoozi Kayini?
Nanti kati ekizibu wekiri webikusoberera okuwa ansa entuufu nti singa si ye nengendo yonoona erinnya lye nanyini bani badde bamukwata.
Lwaki tebamukwata exactly?
Kati tuteekera okulowooza nti kirabika nanyini hando eyo takwatibwa oba nabo bakyamunoonya
batagambwako yabalema
okufuna. Nindowooza kibanyiiza nabo kubanga bamuwaayire.
Tetumulabangako nga avuddeyo mu public okwewakana the handle doesn't belong to me, so we assume
to him like maybe
he isn't on social media.
Yeah, ayinza okuba naye bwekibanga kituufu, that's very sad for our country kubanga, to be honest with you, things change. You see, someone said like just like that, things can change.
Yeah.
And when that happens, babikwetera n'ogamba izina ly'ono bwe nti negamba bisome ngamba nga tokkiriza because things have changed. We have seen them change.
Yeah, we have seen governments change and people face consequences.
Where the somebodies turn to become nobodies.
Exactly. Nga tumaliriza twagala otupaintingire ekifaananyi kya the likely cabinet as it may appear in May.
No, we could begin with, in my view, with the parliament. Parliament agenda kubeeramu basically ababbi beeyongedde, abalya zilooni beeyongedde.
Because abasinga bapya.
Abasinga bapya agenda kubeera one of the, just thinking, one of the worst parliaments Uganda has ever had. Ngerimu non-performers bangi, non-performers nga bangi nnyo, ne underperformers nga bangi. Despite of the in quotes wrongs that you may put on to Mpuga, you should have had Mpuga in that parliament. Despite the problems that Chivumbi got, you should have had the Chivumbis of this world in that parliament. You should have had the likes of Segura in that parliament. By the way, you should have had the likes of
Abed.
Abed, yeah, sure. Agriculture and related matters in that parliament. Musoga Waife should have had Cartoon too in that parliament.
Abdul, yeah.
You should have had Semuju in that parliament. You should have had Bagala in that parliament.
But sadly, the replacement of Bagala isn't...
sadly, not only minister here and there. Sadly, with the capital S, you have lost them. By the way, you should have had a Lulume in that parliament. So that makes our settlement, the word sad, not just sad with the capital S, capital S, capital A, capital D, capital L, capital Y. Sadly, you don't have them. Do you know the people you have? Muryanyama.
Muryanyama.
Do you know others you have? Mukono Magola.
Swengere.
Sad to note. The other capital sadness I have, I am going to use my taxes to pay.
Okubasasulira bonna emisaala, tubagulire emmotoka, tubagulire iPad, tubambaze n'amasuuti.
No, wala sente zigenda okunuma ennyo, kati sente zigenda okuba Muryanyama. Part of my taxes. He may be good, but not as a parliamentarian. But I'm going to pay him gladly and sadly. Anyhow, Mugokutanu abagenda kuleta cabinet ya mwempya, and I want to predict today is Musanvu. Most likely I don't see Nabanja, your friend, coming back as Prime Minister. I just don't see Alupo as Vice President. I do not see Biabasaija isn't going to appear as your commissioner of prisons. I do not see Abbas Byakagawa as IGP. I do not see, there are quite many that are going to be. By the way, I also have a feeling that paying too much attention to Natasha. Pay too much attention onto Natasha. She might scoop. She might get some position. Just thinking, the mother is dropped. Nothing also.
Avudde mu education n'ateekawo omwana.
Neweta education asobola okujjawo maama mu cabinet omwana n'abako featuring oba any other bigger position.
Are there other people we should be expecting in cabinet that tubadde tetubatunuulidde nnyo?
This man is a shocker, but what I see eno cabinet egenda okuddako eri yakweyubula. But it's okay, we've even run out of time.
Exactly.
Bari mu kupushinga NRA so far, all of these historicals.
Baleta NRA.
Like Dombo, I don't see Dombo coming back. I don't see Todong coming back. I don't see so many, even directors now. So, but historicals, bari mu kubasindikiriza, but take a new blood ngeri prepared for some way to bring about a transition. So we are literally transitioning from the NRA, Bushmen and historicals to some bit of a breed. Ya Musayi Muto, either ngeri tebitegeera, ngeri excited, oba okubaako kyevuga for some reason.
batwatela embundu baba kanyuze.
Bo again definitely bali mu kugendera ddala. They are very few. If we mention Fronasa, I think Fronasa has now 2 living members. Typical original bana abakulukulu. That is Otafire and Ivan Koreta, John Ivan Koreta.
We are the Alternative Digitalk. Real issues, real talk.